tags in HTML, no links or images, no emojis, and keep the language straightforward. Also check that each paragraph is concise and the entire text is easy to read. Let me structure each section step by step, ensuring all requirements are met. End of thought in several parts. Well, in this position, you would just start all of these powers. If ever wondered why a movie about a fictional crime family still grips audiences over 50 years later, before diving in, hit that like button and subscribe. Trust us. You want to catch every twist. Now let's peel back the curtain on the chaos, creativity, and sheer luck that turned this film into a legend. A grizzled mob boss cradling a stray cat minutes before cameras roll. And the purring furball wasn't in the script, it just wandered onto set. Marlon Brando made it work, softening Vito's menace, while the crew scrambled to fix audio drowned out by feline serenades. Hollywood magic, more like catnip. Brando's iconic jawline wasn't just genetics, and he swapped cotton balls for a custom mouthpiece that distorted his speech and chiseled his cheekbones. Imagine chewing gum during a Shakespearean soliloquy. This gadget let him nap between takes without losing his character's edge. Talk about method acting meets orthodontia. Remember the horse head scene? That wasn't a prop. It was real meat from a slaughterhouse. The crew chilled it under sheets until action was called, leaving actors to react to genuine gore. No CGI here, just a frozen noggin, and a lot of fake blood. Ever heard of, fresh off the set? Oranges pop up like Easter eggs before every violent scene. They're the film's version of a Danger Will Robinson alert. The art team strategically placed them to contrast with darker moments. And if you spot one on screen, grab popcorn. You're about to witness cinematic chaos. And, Nino wrote a score, almost won an Oscar twice. The first time, stripped for recycling a theme from a previous film. The Academy's rules were stricter then. Lesson learned, even geniuses need to check their plagiarism detectors. Cinematographer Gordon Willis bathed scenes in shadows so thick you could slice them. Studio execs panicked, fearing viewers would think their TVs broke. Willis held his ground, crafting a moody aesthetic that redefined crime dramas. And so, turns out darkness sells, just don't forget the plot. Al Pacino almost got axed early on. Executives thought his Michael Corleone was too bland. Coppola fought back, staging the iconic restaurant hit to showcase Pacino's simmering intensity. Result, a career-defining role and a masterclass in trusting your gut, literally. The script dodged the words mafia and Cosa Nostra entirely, and producers struck a deal with community groups to soften language, swapping gangster jargon for family metaphors. It's like calling a shark fishy while drowning in the ocean. The toll booth ambush used more squibs than any film before it. James Caan wore a rig of explosives and blood packs, timed to milliseconds. Imagine a pyrotechnic show at a 4th of July picnic, except everyone's wearing 1970s suits. Sicilian scenes weren't shot in Corleone. But in two quaint villages frozen in time, and Savoca's Bar Vitelli still serves espresso to tourists hunting for Godfather lore. And pro tip, order a cappuccino and pretend you're about to marry Sofia Coppola's character. And who knew a film about loyalty and betrayal would hinge on last-minute fixes and happy accidents? If you're still here, congrats. You're officially a trivia champion. Drop your favorite secret in the comments. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.